In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoho Mail not receiving emails. If your emails aren't showing up in your inbox, don't worry. We'll walk through each step to troubleshoot and resolve this common issue. First, log into your Zoho Mail account. Open your web browser, go to the Zoho Mail login page, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, start with the simplest check, your spam folder. Sometimes emails end up there due to overzealous filtering. If you find the email, just move it back to your inbox. If it's not in spam, head over to the Zoho Mail settings, represented by the gear icon in the top right corner. A key area to check is filters. Filters automatically organize incoming emails, but if they're misconfigured, important messages might be rerouted away from your inbox. Review and adjust any filters as needed. Next, check the anti-spam settings. This section helps determine which emails are safe and which are considered suspicious. Start with the allowed list. Make sure important contacts or domains are added here. Emails on this list will still need to pass authentication checks, but this helps ensure they reach your inbox. Then review the blocked list. Ensure no trusted emails or domains are mistakenly added here, as these would be sent directly to spam. By carefully adjusting filters, reviewing spam, and updating allowed and blocked contacts, you can solve most issues with Zoho Mail not delivering emails. If you're still having trouble, reaching out to Zoho support may help, but these steps usually get things back on track. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your emails a lot easier.